Happy Friday everybody, I'm Libby and this is Julian. Together we are BoxedMeeples. This Favourite Game Friday we are talking about our favourite games that give us those summery vibes, make us think of the sunshine and the beach and all those great things.
So I have picked the 18 card button shy game Tides. Now in this game you are collecting up objects you find in the beach to build beautiful little beachy creations, something you would do while you're lying on the beach in the summer. In fact, it's something we did when we were lying on the beach in Santa Monica, which is like a bonus pick I'm going to throw in there because in my mind these two are melded together. And in this game you're moving tourists and locals and VIPs around Santa Monica Beach, racing against that food truck as it moves across the bottom, and basically designing your own version of the beach. It has some beautiful artwork in this and familiar places littered and kind of references in this game to anyone who's kind of been to Santa Monica Beach or Venice Beach in Los Angeles. So yeah, just looking at the box, looking at the cards, just remind me of those beautiful summer days that we spent in Los Angeles, and yeah, it's for me it's summer in a box.
Yeah, and those two feel really sentimental to me because we played both of those games the day that we got engaged in Los Angeles. We then went to the beaches and then played Tides on the beach, so yeah, have a real special moment with those two, I think. But my pick is also quite beachy. I've gone Tidal Blade's Heroes of the Reef. Now, I mean, this feels quite summery to me. The gorgeous artwork of those different islands that you're going along, completing the challenges, and you know, you've got to go and complete those challenges to see if you're going to be big enough and bad enough to go and defeat the monsters at the edges of the reef, and not like some of the mistakes that we've made in the past where we've sort of gone straight into the monsters.
You need to build up to that.
Yeah, and failed epically. So it's a game that we really enjoy. You're travelling around to the different locations and getting yourself better and better at all these different skills, then go out and fight the monsters. So yeah, it's a real fun game to play.
It's a great kind of worker placement game and some fantastic resources in that. I love the little squishy berries you get with that one.
Yeah.
But let us know in the comments down below what your favourite summery game is. Maybe you've got one you only play in the summer. Maybe you played a game, not referencing anyone, and maybe got sunburn because you've been so engrossed in the game. Actually, I'm mocking you, but I've done exactly the same thing. But I've got obsessed and forgot I was actually sitting in direct sunlight. So do let us know in the comments down below what's your favourite summery game or a game you just associate with summer.
Yeah, and I might give a little honorary mention to Azul's Summer Pavillion at this point in time. I think that's a great outdoor game as well because of the tiles and things, but yeah, that one makes me feel like summer too. But if this is your first time watching us, we are, as we said at the beginning, BoxedMeeples. Do please like, subscribe and join us on our board gaming journey, which consists of normally 2 to 3 videos every single week, all about board games.
And if you want to pick up games like this, the first place you should probably head to is your friendly local game store, and for us in the southeast of England, that's actually Chaos Cards. But don't worry if you're not nearby because they have a fantastic website which has got some really good prices on. It's kind of our first port of call when we're buying online.
They really do. We do have a discount code for you, which is in the description here, which you can get some money off if you spend over, I believe, £35. They also do a really great membership scheme. So the more you buy with them, the more discount you get in cash back at the end of the month to spend again on more board games. Win-win.
Win-win. But for now, as always, thanks so much for watching.
Bye.